Getting a pimple sucks, right? We've all had pimples. It absolutely sucks. When you look in the mirror and you see that big zit, you're like, oh my God, not today. Not today. I have a date, going on a job interview. I have this really important meeting at work. Nobody likes pimples. It always comes at the wrong time. But in today's video, I want to help you guys so that you stop getting those annoying zits. Now, the first thing you need to do is understand what acne is, what pimples are. And a quick Google search will let you know that acne occurs when the openings of the hair follicles become clogged and blocked with oil and dead skin cells. If the clogged pore becomes infected with bacteria, it forms a pimple, which is a small red bump, right, with pus at the tip. Now, during puberty, hormone production changes. So this can cause the sebaceous glands located at the base of the hair follicles to become overactive. That is why teenagers tend to have more acne, more pimples. Where can you get pimples? I mean, pretty much, honestly, pretty much everywhere, but mostly face, back, chest, and shoulder. And that is actually because there are so many of those sebaceous glands on those areas of the skin. So now that we know exactly what acne is specifically, then we can work backwards and just attack the root of the problem, which is gonna be the clogged pores. The thing is, you need to make sure that you're keeping your skin clean to keep it clear of acne. That's why I'm always telling you guys that having a skincare routine is so important. It's not because it feels nice, even though it definitely does. It's relaxing, it's refreshing and all that, but most importantly, you're cleansing it from the acne-causing bacteria. And if you want clear skin fast, if you're ready to control that bacteria and not let pimples continue to pop up on your face, then you definitely need to get these 3 products from Aprika Skincare. First, the face wash. You use this twice a day when you wake up and before you go to bed. This is what's going to remove that acne-causing bacteria that clogs up your pores. This will cleanse and of course refresh your skin, and it feels and smells really, really nice. But because it removes the oils from the surface of your skin, then you need to reapply moisture. And that's where the Aprika Skincare Moisturizer comes in. It's crazy. As soon as you apply this, it gets sucked up by your skin. Like your skin needs it. It just sucks it up. It has cucumber extract, avocado oil, proteins, peppermint oil. It's gonna make your face feel really refreshed, moisturized, and because of the peppermint oil, you just get like this invigorating feeling as soon as you apply it. And last but not least, the Aprika Skincare Exfoliating Scrub. Now, we went over the fact that dead skin cells can block your pores, which causes acne. Well, this scrub has micro beads that you feel once you apply on your face, and those beads, they scrub away your dead skin cells, making sure they don't clog your pores. This product feels so good on your skin. It's amazing. It reveals a brand new skin cells. It works immediately, but you're only supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week. I know it feels amazing, but you have to hold on because you need to give time to your skin cells. Give them time before you scrub, because otherwise you're just scrubbing away brand new skin cells. So they need to rejuvenate, they need to get a little bit older, and then you scrub them away with the exfoliating scrub every 2 to 3 days. And that's all you need for a simple, easy skincare routine that works. No BS ingredients, no crazy prices. You follow this easy 3-step routine and your skin will start to look and feel better immediately. But what makes your skin even better is when you stay consistent. Most guys forget to do skincare, then they complain, they have acne. It's like brushing your teeth. You have to be consistent or it doesn't work well. And to make your lives easier, all you have to do is subscribe to Aprika Skincare. When you subscribe, you get 20% off, you get free shipping, and the 3 products get delivered to your doorstep every 2 months. That means that you won't run out, and we'll make sure that you always have these products to follow through with your skincare routine, so there's no more inconsistency. Guys, the Aprika Skincare feedback, the reviews, they've all been so positive, and I stand behind the ingredients, but most importantly, I stand behind the results, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. It's not the packaging, it's not the fragrance, though I think we nailed both. What matters is the results, right? Like, I wanna look at you guys and be like, wow, you guys look incredible. And these products just work. So click that first link below, get 20% off plus free shipping on your Aprika Skincare products. And again, thank you guys so much for the incredible reviews on our first 3 skincare products. You guys have been amazing. Now, another reason why guys get acne is because they keep touching their faces. This is something that we just do and we don't even notice. But guess what? I'm on my computer all day, right? I'm touching my keyboard. Sometimes I drive, so I'll be driving, I'm touching my steering wheel, you know, handrails at work or school or even at home, money, credit cards, your phone. There is bacteria on all of those items, like a lot, especially on money, right? Keyboards. I mean, it's dirty. right? And when you touch those items and touch your face, you are transferring that bacteria straight to your face and to your skin. And that will cause acne, as we already went over earlier in this video. So make sure that you're always using hand sanitizer. I know we're kind of getting used to this now. Always washing your face, and then also sanitize your things, sanitize your phone case, sanitize your keyboard, your steering wheel, clean it. Because if you're touching that all day and then you're touching your face for whatever reason, you're just transferring all of that onto your skin, and that will clog your pores and cause acne. The next thing you need to do is watch your diet. We all know very well that you are what you eat, and if you're eating unhealthy items, very oily, not good for your body, then your skin is going to act up. Vitamins A, D, and E are all known to play a role in maintaining healthy skin. So it's possible that, an adequate supply of these vitamins are gonna help prevent acne. Milk consumption has been actually associated with acne. I used to drink milk pretty much every day, like protein shake with milk, like actual milk. And I stopped a long time ago, and I cannot tell you guys the difference that I felt in my body and that I saw in my body. Not only my skin, but also my muscles and the fat that I honestly lost that I didn't even realize that I had. I trimmed up real quick, and I just stopped drinking milk. I highly recommend you do the same. You can still drink oat milk, almond milk, any type of milk that works for you, of course. But ideally, drink water. Drink tons of water and eat a healthy diet. That's what's gonna make the biggest change. The next thing that you should definitely do is something that most guys do not, and that is remember to wash your pillowcase. When was the last time you washed your pillowcase? Be honest. I wanna see answers in the comments. Be honest with us right now. I'm not gonna judge you. Maybe I'll judge you a little bit, but what's the one thing that touches your face the most? The one thing is your pillowcase. It touches your face the most every day or every night. You have your face in it about a third of your whole life. So make sure to wash it at least weekly, because you sweat all over it, your hair products get rubbed on it, you drool on it. I mean, there's a lot of bacteria that you're just rubbing on your face for a third of your life. So make sure that it's clean, or maybe buy a new one. Maybe it's time for an upgrade for a silk pillowcase. Just make sure that you're washing it at least. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, when I was younger, I didn't care about washing my pillowcase or my sheets. Who cares? That was the last thing that I had in my mind. When I was a teenager and I lived with my mom, if she did it, great. If she didn't do it, I wasn't gonna do it. But let me tell you, it's time to grow up. It's time to grow up, guys. Make sure that you're washing your pillowcase, because it will definitely help you when it comes to acne. And you don't wanna know what's on those pillowcases. It's probably really gross. I mean, there's like snot, drool, it's bad. Wash it. And of course, a lot of guys tend to also just pop their zits. As soon as they see anything, they just put their dirty fingers all over it and try to pop it and try to figure it out. And what I would recommend is don't. There's a lot of reasons why you shouldn't pop a pimple. One of them being, first of all, your hands are probably gonna be dirty. So if you're gonna do it, make sure that you wash your hands properly, sanitize your hands, but also because you can leave a scar on your face. And I actually have a couple from popping up just a pimple that you think is gonna be easy, and then all of a sudden you're there for like 5 minutes, and all of a sudden you rip your skin open and there's a big mark on your skin for a while. And it could be on your neck, on your back, right? We talked about this before. It could be on your face. So make sure that just try your hardest not to pop that pimple, because it's not good. It's not gonna make it any better. And if you do get the urge, and if you do want to pop your pimple for whatever reason, like I said, wash your hands, sanitize them, and then ice it after, because that's gonna get rid of the inflammation. It's going to just make sure that it's not as swollen as it's going to be if you don't ice. Guys, check out apricasskincare.com. It's gonna be listed in the description below, and if you get the 3 products, you get 20% off plus free shipping. Go check it out. It's the first link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.